Congratulations on opening your new elementary school.
Thank you.
And on the grant award that you received from OLDCC to build your middle school. Excited about the future working with you. How do you feel about that?
So we are incredibly excited. So not only to have a new elementary school, but then also to be able to match that with construction of a new middle school. It is so important to our military families and military connected families in the community. Like having two state-of-the-art facilities, it brings tears to my eyes. How grateful we are for all the support from the Department of Defense and our local school district. So we're incredibly excited.
Awesome.
As are we at Alamogordo Schools. Thank you for the award of this grant for the new middle school here and to complete our K-8 campus is what this is going to end up being, a whole K-8 campus for military connected students. It's a huge win for our town. The economic development that I think will come from just being able to attract people to our community with great schools. I know schools are always, I'm a retired Air Force myself, and schools were always one of the first things we looked at when we went to a new base. And I want every military connected kid that gets orders here to be able to look and say, wow, I get to go to school there at Holloman. That's what we really want. And this is the kind of learning environment you just saw that we want all of our schools in Alamogordo to have. All of our kids deserve great learning environments, and your assistance, your grant up for Holman Middle is phenomenally. We're so grateful. Yes.
Thank you. That's wonderful to hear.
Great.